Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Jeffrey Naudachia. Hope you're doing well today. Today's video is going to be all about how to feng shui your wallets. Feng shui is something which we usually use for our homes to bring positivity. Let's today learn how to feng shui our wallets. I will be sharing with you in detail functionalities of a good wallet, the best color and shape recommended, the ways to arrange your money and the credit cards that you carry with you, where would you keep your wallet when not in use, and how to create that magical abundance energy in your wallet that you carry with you all day. Alright, it's going to be a very interesting video. Hope you all enjoy it. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly get started. Alright friends, let's talk about the functionality of a good wallet. Firstly, it should be in good condition. Color should not be faded at all. The wallet should open up and close smoothly. The zip should be in an absolute working condition. Every time you hold your wallet, it should generate a good feeling of I hold a lot of wealth and abundance in it with me all the time. So this is extremely important. Let me show you wallets that are absolute no-no. Now this wallet, the condition is gone. It has lost its shape. The color, oh my god, it's looking so dirty. So would this help to attract wealth or abundance? Absolutely not. So stay away from wallets which are not in good condition or which are worn out or which are torn. Yeah, you don't want to use something that has lost its color, its beauty. The feel-good factor of it is missing. You don't want to use such wallets at all. So please check. In case you're using a very old wallet, it's time to change now. Friends, colors recommended for a good wallet. Sharing those colors with you now. Right. Brown is one of the best colors you can have for your wallets. It brings a lot of earthy energies. If you're someone who likes to save money, brown is the color for you. If you want to bring in more grounding, more stability, more strength, yeah, you can get a brown wallet for yourself. Okay. Now, black wallet is also ideal. I do not have one to show you with me right now, but a black wallet brings power, prosperity, and a lot of opportunities. Well, the most auspicious one is a red wallet because it brings a lot of protection, more money flow, auspicious color to attract wealth and abundance. Well, red could also make you spend more money, so you have to be a little careful around that. But I personally naturally very attracted to red wallets since a very long time. Yeah, so red is the ideal color to have, or brown and black are also good colors to choose. The color which is an absolute no is blue color, because blue is the color of flowing water. Alright, so it signifies money going away, flowing away, or unexpected expenses coming your way, and your money flow is going away from you. So we do not want that. So we should not ideally use wallets which are shades of blue. So stay away from any kind of blue wallets. If you own one, if you wish, you can change. Most recommended shape for your wallets is a rectangular shape. Just make sure that the wallet is not very tiny and you can comfortably place your notes in it. Alright, so a decent size, standard decent size wallet in a rectangular shape where your money is not crammed at all. Alright, cramping of money suggests that there is no room for more money in your wallet. So you should be able to place all your money in your wallet in a very comfortable manner. Yeah, and there should always be some space for more. So make sure that you're arranging your notes in a very comfortable manner and they're not crammed up at all. So rectangular, as I said, is the most recommended best shape for your wallets. Talking about ways to arrange your wallet now. First step is to declutter your wallet. Alright, so if you see any bills or papers or receipts which are lying inside your wallet, yeah, for no reason, let's get them out. We need to declutter. That is the first step. So get rid of all this immediately. Alright, the next step would be arranging all your notes in a neat manner. Don't have notes that are folded, it's not considered good. So a wallet which is very neat, spacious, and there are no receipts or papers lying inside for no reason. Alright, now let's talk about your cards. It's a good practice to carry only 1 or 2 cards with you always. Yeah, do not carry plenty of credit cards with you always. It's not considered good. It's a sign of having to pay many people, a lot of loans, or being in debt always. So it's not a good thing. So please do not have 10 credit cards. And I've seen people when they open their wallets in a mall and they're trying to show off that I have so many credit cards. Please don't do that. Just have 1 or 2 that you usually use to pay whenever you're out. So let the other cards be at home somewhere else. In your wallet you will place only 1, 2, or I'd say maximum 3 cards with you at any point of time. Well, sharing about the best place to keep your wallet. Now say you've got back home and you have to place your wallet. So ideally your wardrobe or your cupboard or wherever you keep your ironed clothes or clothes that you usually wear to outings, neat, nice, tidy place. Keep your wallet over there with your own energy, because your clothes also carry your energy with them. All right, so that's a good idea. Never have your wallet be kept on the floor or close to shoes or medicines. Yeah, that's not recommended at all. So placing your wallet in a neat, tidy, clean place is highly recommended. You can choose to place your wallet along with your keys. If you have a drawer or shelf where you place all your keys, you can keep your wallet over there also if you choose to. Friends, now sharing with you the way you can create that magical abundance wealth energy in your wallets. All right, so usually abundance energy is considered to be light yellow golden energy use. Yeah, so have a look. Citrine and pyrite are considered the best crystals for abundance. So if you have a small citrine with you, make sure it's a natural one and not a heat treated one. So this is a natural citrine, and this is a tiny piece of pyrite which fell out of one of my clusters, so I kept it. So you can take these 2, or you can have any one of them and place it where you're keeping your notes. So just have your citrine and your pyrite with the notes that you have in your wallet, and you have created the magical energy of abundance in your wallet for yourself. So every time you open your wallet, you're going to catch a glimpse of that light energy of abundance that you have created for yourself. All right, these 2 crystals are the best crystals for abundance, and I highly recommend, if you have them with you, make sure you place them in such a way that they are touching the notes. All right, I hope this video proves to be beneficial and you enjoyed watching this video. You learned something new. If you liked it, do hit on the like button and stay subscribed for more. If you feel this information is beneficial, do share it with your loved ones. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you all soon. Lots of love to each one of you. Take care of yourself. Bye. See ya.